is how can we use Weaponiser to create other sounds? So we're going to be taking a look at the newly released Robotic Lifeforms 2 package. And using that package, we're going to create some robotic footsteps amongst some other sounds of a video game character. There's three sounds that we're going to be focusing on today. This character has a wide range of animations, but what we're going to be focusing on is the walk animation, as well as the sprint animation. And finally, we're going to be looking at the fire animation.